Hello, this is Master Castillo from Maximum Martial Arts University, the place where you come to not only become a great martial artist, but a better person, because we are changing lives one kick at a time. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to be throwing one kick at a time, but we're going to work them in combinations. And we're focusing today on angle and kick. So we're working on our angle steps, right? Here, foot, and our angle steps. So what we're going to do first is we're going to throw 4 combinations. We're going to start off with a fast kick, and we're going to go fast kick, angle and kick. Then we're going to go round kick, angle and kick. And then we're going to go angle and kick to round kick, and angle and kick to fast kick. And basically we're doing them in reverse. Okay, so we're at 차렷. Good. 경례. 원투기 준비. 하자! Now, you want to make sure that you're relaxed. Now, is this just for Taekwondo students? No, it's for Hapkido students, for kickboxing students. I throw after their leg in Hapkido and kickboxing, here this way, and then throw it again, and that's totally fine. For Taekwondo, we're keeping it above the waist, so we're going to practice above the waist, but you guys can all use these, so make sure we practice them. So we're right here, we're going in and out. Now, when you throw your fast kick, let me show you this way. Remember, we got that triple launch, so I skip this back foot in, and then I push off with this foot for that skip, but then see how this leg pushes me in? That allows me to cover distance, okay? What I don't want to do, I do it sometimes, actually I do it a lot of times, is I take an extra step before I throw a fast kick. You want to try not to do that. And if we do it, we're hiding it by moving in. So when we're here, it's fast, angle, and kick, okay? And it's a small angle. Let me show you again. So that way you can see. So I'm going slow, and we're moving in and out. Now stop. Good. Now watch the fast kick. Fast. See where I'm at? Now watch the angle, angle. Now watch the kick. All the way in this stance. Okay. So when you're doing this, you want to break it down, and then you want to make it smooth. So do it again, nice and relaxed, and we're throwing fast, angle and kick. Okay. Then again, I'll go slow so you can see. We're throwing that fast kick. Make sure your hips are aligned. Fast. See where I'm at? Now look, put it down, angle offline. See, that's all you need to get offline from punches and kicks. Then, boom, you throw right back in. Make sure you control your hands as you're kicking. Okay, so one more time on this one. So we're throwing fast kick, 1, angle, pata! Okay, and make sure that we yell on it. So, last one, let's do it slow, so that way you guys can see. You can break it down, same thing. And we're throwing right here, in and out, and fast, angle, pa! Good. So that is combination number 1. Okay, now, combination number 2, we're going to come off the line with the rear leg round kick. Now you can do a chunjin, okay, or you can just throw it right there. Depends on your distance. If they're too far, don't kick, okay? Get your distance right, then start throwing your shots. So if I were not at the right distance, I throw chunjin, 1, then angle, then throw my shot, which is fine. Or if I'm in distance, I throw it right there. So remember, we're bouncing in. I'll go slow so you guys can see. And stop. Look, knee passes here, shoulder comes in, knees are closed, and throw through, stance. Now look, right here, I'm going to push off of this leg. This leg's going to go off to the side. 1, see where I'm at, and throw through. And that's our round kick, angle and kick. Okay, angle, step, and kick. So it's a combination. So let's do it again. So we're throwing right here. Pa, ha, ba! Okay, good. So let's do it again. Okay, nice and relaxed. And we're throwing that round kick in. Pa, ha, ba, ta! Okay, good. Now let's go slower. And let's break it down. Okay, so we're here. We're in and out. We're throwing round kick, foot, angle. See where I'm at? Maybe I'm covering something. And see how I got that scissor guard? And then pata! Throwing that kick. Okay? Relax your hips. Okay, so one more time. So we're nice and relaxed. Remember, launch in, don't wind up. Okay? It's that quick launch. So I'm here and it's ba, ha, ba! Good. So that's combination number 2. Now we're going to throw round kick. I'm sorry. We're going to throw angle and kick. And then after that, we're going to throw roundhouse kick. So be in reverse. And you guys can do these any way you want. So like we did left on the fast kick, do right on the fast kick. We did right on the round kick, do left on the round kick. Okay, so that way it works you guys in multiple ways. Okay, so now from here, we're in stance, and we're coming off line right here. Angle, kick, then what am I throwing? Ha! Roundhouse kick, okay? So, we make it more fluid this time. And she right here. Ha! Ba! Ba! And then I move, okay? So again, a little slow, so you guys can see, maybe I'm checking, right? Maybe we're punching if we're kickboxing, or in Hapkido, we're coming offline. 1, boom, boom. Now, very important that you work your conjunctions. What a conjunction is the way I'm putting my foot down. So, when I do this angle and kick here, boom, if I put my foot over here and I try to kick, there's no weight. Okay, so, when I do this, and I hit that angle and kick right here, 1, look how I'm already putting it on line to throw that next shot. That's your and, okay? So it's angle and kick and roundhouse kick. That foot in between makes a big difference. If not, you're gonna be stalling in between your shots. Okay, so let's do it again. One more time, and it's ha, ba, ba! Okay, so that's combination number 3. Okay, now combination number 4, we're going to hit that angle and kick off of this side, and then we're going to come in long, and we're going to hit a fast kick. Okay, you can throw whatever you want. I mean, you can throw a double kick after that, or a fast double, but to show the angle and kick, and we're going to hit that fast kick. So we're in and out right here. Now look, angle, pa, pa, and we're hitting that fast kick. Okay. Watch it again. I'll show you with the double, just that way you see what it looks like. So, same thing, I'm in and out, and it's ha, ba, ha, ba, ta! Right, there's your double kick. Now, let's go slow. All right, so always still work your bouncing, hands up, I can point at you, psh, right there, that's what we want. And then from here, I'm working angle and kick. All the way through your and conjunction. See how I'm still in line right here? Pa-ta! And making sure that you land good and not offline. Okay? What I mean by offline is like over here or over here. I want to be able to have a 2-line stance that's somewhat narrow so I can continue to throw attack and counterattack. So let's do it again. Okay. One more time slow, and we'll go through it fast. Woo. So, we're here, in and out, and ha! Ba! Ba! Okay, well, I said slow, didn't I? Let's do it again. You ready? Nice and slow. And angle 1. Now look, there's that pocket, bounce in. It's like you're bouncing off the wall, right? Angle, bounce, throw. Now look where I'm at. I bend, I push that knee forward, push that back knee forward. Ha! And you launch, okay? So now, let's throw all the way through, and throw it as a fast kick, and for a higher belt, let's throw it as a fast double, and let's hit a nada just for fun. Okay, ready? And let's throw. Ha! Ba! Ha! Ba! Ha! Ba! Ta! Good. So, let's practice. You see my glasses on now. Okay, let's practice all 4 of those and take your time on each one of them. Take them step by step by step and help you guys work your angle kicks from different sides and different perspectives. And then once you get good on that fast kick here, then throw a fast kick here. Okay, once you get good on round kick here, throw a round kick here. Once you get good on that angle kick and round kick here, then do it this way. Angle kick and round kick. Now what about your foot in back and front? Okay, I can still do it this way. Angle and round and round. And same thing the other way. I can hit it right here. Angle, round, fast, okay? And with the front leg. So the idea is there's an infinite number of possibilities, but you gotta work that angle and kick, okay? And throw something with it. So these 4 are basics to get you thinking about what you can do with that angle kick. All right, let's get to practicing. Thank you.